Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install a package in Arch Linux or Manjaro Linux in my case manually using package build. In this video I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code, which is one of the most favorite editor, text editor or code editor. You can use either Flathead to install or Snap to install this Visual Studio Code, or even tag AUR or simply Arch user repository. In my system the AUR got corrupted, so I am not able to install using AUR not anymore. So it is better to use package build if you are in a situation where your AUR or Flathead or your Snap is not providing the latest version. So I will show you how to install any application generally using package build. If you go to this website, this is a documents on Microsoft official website, and they will show you Linux installation detail for Visual Studio Code. Here you need to come to this section where it say Manjaro Linux. So you need to install these two dependencies. Vanilla install missile library. So you can install it by just copying it and using pacman command. So sudo pacman or pacman -s and paste these two. I already installed it. I am not going to install any of that. Once you install that, they will give you the link to this Visual Studio AUR package link, which is actually a Git repo. So you can copy this link and create a directory in your folder. Here I already created a directory called Visual Studio Code text. Now you can use git clone command to clone that repo into your system. So once you press ls, you can see this folder. You can cd into that folder. This is the git repo where you can see this package build. Next thing that will come to your mind is how to use this package build file to install the program. For that, I find this particular Stack Overflow question very useful. Even though in this Stack Overflow they are discussing about how to install that for ARM, the same thing is applicable for any other Arch Linux distribution, normal desktop or laptop too. So here they are saying you need to use Mac package -ACS. They also explained how each of these switches do in what each of these switches do in this command. So you can take a quick look into this description about this command if you don't understand what this actually does. So this works fine for me, that's why I am posting it here. Just use make package -ACS and press enter. It will take some time. Let us wait until that finish. I will get back to you once that downloading is finished. Once this process is complete, you can type ls. Here you need to use this particular package to install the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the extension is package.star.cst, so we need to use that. Yeah, that's can be confirmed by just looking into this description over here. So you can use sudo pacman -u. So I will be using that, but I will not actually install or overwrite the existing Visual Studio Code I installed. If there is any Visual Studio Code versions is installed already, it will show you that when you run this command, it will show you that do you need to overwrite the existing one. So here it is actually showing me that is up to date and reinstalling. Anyway, I will press no. In your case, if there exists nothing, it will be installing as a fresh installation. While if exit, it will be showing you to reinstall. This may help to overwrite or replace the old and obsolete versions of Visual Studio Code which was downloaded using AUR. In my case, I will press no because I already did this process. So I will be pressing no. Once you press yes, it will install and it will run fine. So once it installed, you can actually code it using just type it code and the Visual Studio Code will run. Okay, this is a first installation I did some time ago, and I also installed some extensions too. Okay, everything works fine. You can connect it to the Visual Studio Marketplace and other stuff. So that's works fine. And yeah, one more thing, the installation location will be cd/optit Visual Studio Code. This will be the installation location. So if you press ls and cd into the bin folder, you can see this binary, this called code, which will actually code the Visual Studio Code install. So you don't type just Visual Studio Code like this won't work. You will type code as we did before. I'm saying this because if you need to create some kind of awesome window manager or any other window manager shortcut to invoke this Visual Studio Code, you need to use the command code. And if you are not sure where the Visual Studio Code is installed by default, it is under the /opt, which means optional directory or optional program directory in Linux. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.